Here are some amazing facts about the herring gull. Scientific name, Larus argentatus. Widespread species, found across Europe, Asia, and North America. Habitat, they thrive in coastal areas, inland lakes, rivers, and even urban settings. Size, adult herring gulls range from 55 to 66 centimeters in length. Wingspan, their wingspan can be between 125 and 155 centimeters lifespan. They can live up to 30 years in the wild. Coloration, they have gray wings, a white body, and black wing tips. Leg color, their legs are usually pink. Bill, they have a yellow bill with a red spot on the lower mandible. Subspecies, there are several subspecies, including the American herring gull Larus smithsonianus. Highly vocal, known for their loud and varied calls. Aggressive, they can be quite aggressive, especially when defending their territory or food. Mob feeding, they often gather in large groups to feed. Opportunistic feeders, herring gulls will eat almost anything: fish, insects, small mammals, garbage, and carrion. Bold, known for stealing food from humans, particularly in seaside towns. Kleptoparasitism, they often steal food from other birds. Nest defense, they vigorously defend their nesting sites against intruders. Mobbing behavior, groups of herring gulls will chase off predators. Tool use, they have been observed using stones or hard surfaces to break open shellfish. Nest building, both males and females participate in building their nests. Breeding season, typically starts in April. Monogamous, herring gulls usually form lifelong mating pairs. Nest sites, they prefer to nest in colonies on cliffs, rooftops, and isolated areas. Clutch size, usually lay 2 to 3 eggs per season. Egg appearance, eggs are speckled and well camouflaged. Incubation period, lasts about 30 days. Chick feeding, parents feed their chicks by regurgitating food. Parental care, both parents take care of the chicks until they fledge. Fledging age, chicks fledge around 6 weeks after hatching. Brood parasitism, occasionally, herring gulls lay eggs in the nests of other birds. Communication, herring gulls use vocalizations and body language to communicate. Laughing call, their distinctive call resembles a laugh. Choking display, they use a choking posture to communicate submission or stress. Begging behavior, chicks beg for food by tapping on the red spot on their parent's beak. Diet versatility, they eat fish, crabs, clams, starfish, insects, and garbage. Scavengers, often seen around landfills and human settlements. Crab consumption, they drop crabs onto hard surfaces to break their shells. Fish catching, they are skilled at catching small fish near the surface of the water. Cannibalism, in rare cases, they may prey on the chicks of other gulls. Larders, they sometimes stash extra food for later use. Salt gland, they have a specialized gland that allows them to drink seawater. Webbed feet, their webbed feet make them excellent swimmers. Flight, strong flyers, capable of long-distance travel. Thermoregulation, they pant and spread their wings to cool off. Urban adaptation, herring gulls have adapted well to city life, nesting on rooftops and scavenging for food. Partial migrants, some populations migrate, while others stay in one area year-round. Long-distance flyers, some herring gulls migrate thousands of kilometers. Wintering grounds, migratory birds often winter in southern Europe, Africa, and the southern United States. Juvenile migration, young gulls may travel farther than adults. Navigation, they use landmarks and the Earth's magnetic field for navigation. Colonial nesters, They often nest in large colonies. Hierarchy: dominant gulls control prime nesting and feeding spots. Pair bonds: mated pairs often return to the same nesting site year after year. Flocking: they gather in flocks, especially during migration and feeding. Predators: they face threats from foxes, raccoons, birds of prey, and humans. Human conflict: seen as pests in some areas due to their scavenging behavior. Pollution: ingesting plastic and toxins from garbage can be harmful. Egg harvesting: in some regions, humans collect their eggs as a food source. Conservation status: listed as least concern by the IUCN.